Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WordPress.com for SEO-ready website setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type WordPress.com and press enter. Once the site loads, look for the Start Your Website button and click on it. You will then be directed to a new page offering you different options. Select Get Started to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a username that represents your brand or niche. Create a strong password to protect your account. After entering your information, click on the Create Your Account button. You may need to verify your email address if prompted, so check your inbox. Once verified, log into your new WordPress.com account. You will be taken to the Setup wizard. Here, you can choose the type of website you want to create. Select an option that best fits your goals, such as a blog, business site, or portfolio. Next, you will be asked to choose a plan. For an SEO-ready site, consider selecting a plan that offers features like custom domains and advanced site stats. Once you've chosen a plan, you will have the option to register a new domain. Enter your desired domain name and see if it's available. If it is available, proceed with the registration process. If the name you want is taken, consider variations or keywords relevant to your content. Once your domain is selected or purchased, continue to the payment page. Fill in the necessary billing information to finalize your plan. After completing your payment, you will be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Here, you can start customizing your website. Select a theme that aligns with your branding and is optimized for SEO. Once you've chosen a theme, click on Customize to access the design options. Fill in essential information such as your site title and tagline. Visit the Settings section to configure your site's visibility and permalinks for SEO. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.